We've got an early hands-on video review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and it's hitting the web before Google's official announcement. A Ukrainian YouTuber managed to get their hands on the device and provided a comprehensive 20-minute tour, giving us a detailed look at the phone's design and features. The video offers an extensive overview of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, showing the phone from various angles and comparing it to other flagship models such as the Pixel 8 Pro and Galaxy S24 Ultra. In terms of size, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is positioned between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's slightly taller than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but noticeably smaller than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, the phone wasn't powered on during the review. This could be because it either can't boot into Android yet or Google has restricted its functionality for now. Consequently, details about the display, camera performance, and any new software features remain unclear. We'll have to wait for the official launch event to get the full picture. One notable feature seen in the video is the geometric pattern beneath the Google logo on the back of the phone. This pattern is specific to the prototype and will not be present in the final retail version. Google often uses such markings on prototypes to indicate that they are not the final versions of the product. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro XL looks quite impressive. The design is sleek and modern, though there's some criticism regarding the large camera bump on the back. This design choice might be polarizing among users, but it does give the phone a distinct look. In addition to the hands-on review, leaked official marketing materials for the Pixel 9 series have provided further insights into the phone's features. These materials reveal some exciting new software capabilities, including Google's Gemini AI assistant and the circle-to-search function. One of the standout features is the ability to search through your screenshots. For instance, if you've captured a screenshot of a restaurant menu or an event flyer but can't recall where you saved it, you can search for keywords like restaurant or event, and the phone will display the relevant screenshot. Google showcased this feature with an example where the prompt was, "What was the gift idea for Taylor?" The result was a picture of a geometric squirrel figurine, illustrating how the feature can retrieve specific content from your screenshots. The Pixel 9 series will also include several important safety features. These are designed to enhance user security and provide assistance in critical situations. The emergency SOS feature can be used in urgent situations, while crisis alerts will notify users of nearby emergencies such as fires or floods. Additionally, there will be enhanced protection against phishing scams and malware, which builds on the AI-powered scam call detection feature previously seen in Android. Another significant highlight is Gemini, Google's advanced AI assistant. A demo showed Gemini using a picture of a refrigerator filled with ingredients to answer the question, "How can I make a burger with these ingredients?" This feature provides a glimpse into the powerful capabilities of Gemini, which promises to offer intelligent and context-aware assistance. Notably, Pixel 9 Pro XL buyers will receive a free year of the advanced version of Gemini, adding further value to the purchase. As for the contents of the phone's box, there are no surprises. The leaked materials confirm that the Pixel 9 series will come with 7 years of updates and pixel drops, which now seem to have revised branding for feature drops. Google has also described the Tensor G4 chip as game-changing, but we'll need to see how it performs in real-world scenarios. Be sure to subscribe for more updates as we continue to cover the Pixel 9 Pro XL and other tech news. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.